Is that my bestie in a Telfar? Period. I'm here to tell you guys how I secured the bag. I finally got my hands on it. So if you guys are not familiar about Telfar and the bags, you are kind of like out of the loop. It's the It tote bag. It is vegan leather. They have been around since 2005. Talk about consistency.
Like, look, it's like you came out of nowhere.
No, I've been here for like forever.
No, you know.
And it's been around since 2005. They've been here, honey. For this trend that people might have just hopped on this wave now, they've been out from a long time, but it is a hype beast trend to have right now, and it is black owned. I don't know if it's because of the heightened 2020 Black Power movement, but black owned businesses are thriving. It feels even better to see everybody on this poppin' trend behind a black business. And that's power to my people. I know that they're really hard to get. They're reselling them on StockX. It comes like, it's like Jordans now at this point, because once the hype beasts get their hands on it, it's a hard find. Telfar wanted everybody to get their hands on a bag, so they decided to do a bag program. So you can go on the line. They probably do this once a month, I'm not sure. I get the emails all the time. They tell you to sign up for their email listings, and you get emails I get emails from them almost every single day about what color is coming out. Okay, I gotta wait on this bag program because I seen something about if you order this bag now, get it from July. This was probably, I seen this in March. July, that's summertime soon done. I was already like, Lord, I'll just buy resale price when I'm ready for it, because when I buy my stuff, I like to wear it, I'm ready to go. Imagine buying something and completely forgetting about it for 4 months. I was looking through my junk mail because I'm at that age now, you know, you're getting old, you start looking through your mail and shit, there's nothing even there. So I started looking through my junk mail, and Telfar started sending me all these emails in my junk. Surprisingly, it transferred from my main email to my junk, probably because they probably thought it was spam or something. But Telfar was in the junk pile, and I've been seeing all the colors that came out, and I was pissed. Like, I was livid. I seen some like electric blue. Okay, so I seen on the latest email that I got from them, hot pink, the hot pink azalea. Oh, my heart stopped. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be the time. Like, how hard can they really be to get them? So I was like, planning whatever, and I was listening to a podcast. I was listening to Girl Boss Radio. A fashion editor from Rolling Stone, she was like, every fashion editor has this bag, how hard can it be? I'm like, I'm a potential fashion editor. I'm a girl who's in fashion. I need this bag. So I made it my priority to get the bag. The bag came out last week. The launch is at 10 a.m. So I wasn't sure if I was going to get it fast or if it was part of the bag program or something. Like, I had no clue. I ordered it. I went on my phone. I had it on my phone. I had it on my laptop. And I had it on my iPad or something like that. Or I had it on like another browser on my laptop. It was pretty simple. It was pretty easy. Not a hassle. Went on the website, refreshed at 10, checked out on my computer, and everything was cool. No problems. Got the confirmation. I wasn't sure how long it was gonna take. They sent me an email saying it's shipping on Monday. Got it by Tuesday, which was yesterday. 3 days. I got it in 3 shipping days. Can you believe that? That's super fast. Everyone and their mom was messaging me yesterday when I posted it on my Instagram, so I was like, let me just make this video. I got the mini. I'm going to show you her right now. This is her right here, the first Telfar. I gotta do some unboxing. I didn't want to do a whole IG unboxing because my nails are ugly right now, so get that done. Okay, it just came in this pretty clear bag, and yeah, Isn't she lovely? So gorgeous. So the color is the azalea shopping bag, the small, because I didn't want to do the big in this bright color. I think pink just makes a lot more sense. The inside, really cute and small. Still thinking about that outfit idea that I'm going to put together with it, but she is cute, she is here, and she's giving. I'm so excited about my purchase with Telfar. I'm happy about the experience that I faced. So everyone was messaging me yesterday explaining their frustrations about how they've been waiting since March, and I think that's because they're on the bag security program. I feel like the azalea is an exclusive color as to why this part wasn't in part of the bag program. So I think that's why I got it fast. They just dropped the chocolate and I missed that email, and I feel like that one's not part of the bag program either. So I'm pissed. I gotta wait for the chocolate to come back out, and the chocolate's next on my list. The green is on my list, the blue's on my list, but this time I'm gonna get the big bodies. I need some like traveling bags, so I know I'm gonna get my hands on the big bodies next. Yeah, so that was it for my Telfar experience. I'm really happy about the bag. If you guys want to see more videos, more unboxings, more info about how I shop online, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know anytime I post.